everyone, I hope you all are doing good. So today I am going to show you how you can make a dream catcher in a very easy and simple way. So let's get started and make our dream catcher. Starting up with what you will need. You will need some ring or hook, colorful yarn, pair of scissors, feathers, embellishment like beads and pearls. So to make this I am going to take a hook, then we are going to cover it with blue yarn. Take the yarn and tie a knot. Tie a knot so it stays in place, and then you just wrap your yarn through and cover the entire ring, making sure that none of the hook is showing through. Okay, now I have finished wrapping my yarn around the entire ring. Tie this in a knot and then cut off the yarn. Now next step is dividing the circle into 16 equal parts. Take a paper, fold it diagonally and trim off the excess to make a square piece. Fold it in the middle 4 times as shown. When you unfold it, you will see 16 equal parts. Next, place the ring hook on the top and mark at all the 16 creases. Now for weaving the dream catcher. Tie a knot around one of the mark. Place one bead in the string or yarn. All you have to do is take the bead aside and then thread the string. Repeat the process till the end. I'm going to tie knots for a complex web. Make lesser knots for simpler web. To do the next layer, you have to go to the middle of the first length and then just repeat the process. Weave it halfway through the previous layer as shown. Now I am going to add color to the dream catcher. For that, take any colored yarn. I am taking white color and tie it with the blue yarn. Tie it nicely so that it don't get open, and then cut off the blue yarn. So to complete the Dreamcatcher, all you have to do is repeat that process round and round until you get it to the middle of the Dreamcatcher, then just tie it off. Once you get the technique, it's really easy and quick to do. Now take hoop of a small size and make a Dreamcatcher as shown. Now tie the smaller Dreamcatcher below the bigger one. You can decorate the yarn using beads or you can leave it. Now decorate the Dreamcatcher using different types of feathers, beads or ribbons. Tie it nicely or use any glue to keep them in place. As it dries clear, it really doesn't matter if it's a little bit messy. So there we go. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.